September 26, 2009. This once was an equestrian practice field. Now it's a sandbar. There's second river flowing, starting here, and tremendous amount of debris. This is a follow-up storm. 3 days ago we had accumulation of rain, and now we're having a follow-up storm. About to get to Stone Mountain Creek. This demonstrates how ground that is saturated cannot take any more water. And as we go down Stone Mountain Creek, we're going to see it overflowing the road and rushing again. Stone Mountain Creek at one time was 18 inches deep. Now it's about 9 feet deep. And we've only had 1 hour of rain. Bowers Road and Wilburn Stone Mountain Road, about 4 miles from Stone Mountain Park. There's the debris that has accumulated because of the recent storms. The river's flowing down Stone Mountain Creek. This was the bridge that crossed Stone Mountain Creek. Got washed out 2 days ago. Most of it's still here. Some of it is about 100 to 200 yards down the creek bed. Water's not as high as it was. It's beginning to rush though. You can hear it all around you. This is a second rivulet formed and entered Stone Mountain Creek. The creek bed is not nearly as high as it used to be, but with the 1 hour rain that we've just had, halfway full. The creek bed is halfway full. It should be about 5 or 6 feet deep right now, and should not be this deep. But once again, because the ground is so saturated, the creek bed has risen faster than normal. Stone Mountain Creek, coming down towards Stone Mountain Lake. There's debris everywhere. Large trees have been toppled due to the storm, and it's only been an hour's worth of rain.
Pretty close to Bank Pull down here.
It's Bank Pull down here. Not quite up above, but it's rushing. This is a scene that should not be because the saturation of soil is so great. Bowers Road is covered with water, seeking the overflow, of course, feeding into Stone Mountain Creek. And as this water and other water feeds into the creek, the water level rises down towards Stone Mountain Park and Route 78. This road soon will be impassable, and certainly there's erosion on the edge of the road. We do have massive trees that have fallen because of the raging waters and the storm. What a scene this is. Take a look at that. 25 days after the first round. The second round, so just a repeat, not good. Repeat performance. Oh, look at that tree. Not even right now. No. That's the bad thing. Bowers Road near Stone Mountain Park. This is Stone Mountain Creek. A little tributary coming into it. Notice that Bowers Road is now almost washed away. Waterfalls increased. We've only had an hour of rain, but the ground's been so saturated that the road is covered. It's starting to wear away. You can see parts of the road. Here, you guys look at that. Parts of the road just moving away. Now the creek is just down below. We experienced in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, 33 degrees below zero, 85 below wind chill. We experienced in Buffalo, New York, 84.3 inches of snow in one snowstorm. We experienced in Miami, Florida, the eye of Katrina going over our house at 94 miles an hour, and the eye of Wilma going over our house at 135 miles an hour. Now we've come to Atlanta, Georgia, and we've experienced the flood of the last century. Weather warrior, Pete Pisani and Joe Pisani.